Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. Today's trade of the day, we'll be looking at the Aussie dollar, right? So we have the Aussie dollar here on the 4 hours, okay? There is a very interesting structure that is forming, right, in what I'll call a triangle squeeze. Okay, so if you connect all these lows together, right, and then you connect all these highs together, right, it's very clear cut that price is in a triangle squeeze and price could very easily just push down, okay, to this ascending trend line support on the 4 hour and the last swing low, and then probably explode upwards. Alright, it can also explode downwards, right, but what we can be fairly certain is that price should at least come down to this area, the last swing low. Okay, so we can put the possible support at the last swing low. Let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, okay, we see a series of lower highs, right, but we just want to focus on this area right now. So we can actually draw a descending trendline resistance, okay, on the connecting the lower highs, okay, and if we were to do a retracement from the high to the low, we actually see a price has already reacted at a 61.8. Alright, so this level here can be our stop loss. Okay, we can just back it up a bit to have a stop loss, right, so that if we get stopped out, we know for sure that the trend is upwards. Okay, and we can do a retracement of this last movement down, and I'm thinking the 50% falls nicely in line with the descending trendline resistance and also the graphical overlap. So at this level can be a possible entry. So what price may do is pull back to the trend line. Alright, like it always pulls back to the trend line, right? It always comes close to the trend line. Okay, even over here it pulls back to a trend line. We can expect it to pull back to a trend line and then after that push lower. Okay, so we can also do a retracement of the last completed move, low to high, and open all Fibonacci levels. Okay, we see that this daily 4 hour support is at a 76.40. Now the partial take profit that we can have is somewhere over here at the 50% level. Okay, so this works out to be a very nice trade with a very nice risk reward as well. Last but not least, we can also include the indicator like stochastics, and we can see that every time price comes back up to this resistance level, alright, there is always a big drop. Like over here we see a drop, over here we see a drop, over here we see price starting to drop as well. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day on Aussie dollar. Wish you guys all the best, trade safe and stay safe, and then catch you guys again. Thank you.